दक्षिण गोयच्या रस्तो सुरक्षा संदर्भात मंगळारा खासा बसका जाली। 17 ते 23 सप्टेंबर मेरेन रस्तो सुरक्षा सप्तक पाळटले। त्या भायर ज्या रस्त्यांचेर फोंडकुलां आसात तांची नोंद करपाचो म्हत्वाचो निर्णय ह्या बसकेन घेतिल्लो आसा। आर्टेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
So at today's meeting, some of the key issues were first to observe the State Road Safety Week from 17th to 23rd. But at the same time, one major decision we have taken today's meeting is to document all the wherever in the respective villages or MDR or state highway there are potholes. We are going to document these potholes so that if any tarring or any repair work is done and again those potholes appear, we are going to pursue this matter under Consumer Protection Act, deficiency of service. See, as you know, consumer has a right to service on the road as any other service. As you see in the newspapers and also the people are talking that every road is being affected by potholes. And this time we are determined that we cannot speak about road safety because first comes the road. If the road is with potholes, the safety becomes a challenge. We are also going to have a big awareness drive on the new penalties, higher penalties that have been introduced under Motor Vehicle Act 2019 amendment. And in this regard, through the schools, higher secondaries, colleges, we are going to reach out to the parents because, see, parents need to know what are the implications for their children, for themselves, because, you know, the penalties are such that some people's entire salary of a month can go. So awareness is required. So in that sense, we are in agreement that the new penalties should be imposed from the 1st of January so that proper awareness is done. Secondly, all panchayats, all municipalities should be duly informed through the Gram Sabhas that these are the new penalties. Tourism department should inform all the tourists coming to Goa from 27 September World Tourism Day that these are the penalties, these are the enforcement going to be done. So everybody who is coming to Goa as a tourist, also local people, everybody is well informed